What if the most authentic drum grooves weren't hidden behind paywalls, but freely shared by musicians who want you to learn? Today I'm going to show you a complete method that professional producers have quietly used for years. Every song you love has been transcribed by dedicated musicians and shared online. These aren't approximations, they're detailed studies of exactly what the drummer played. Now, before you see all these symbols and think, I don't read music, relax, you don't need to. You can export straight to MIDI and drop it in your DAW. Done. The process step by step. Step 1. Finding quality transcriptions. Search song name plus GP5 for Guitar Pro files. This is your best bet because that lets you import transcriptions straight into Guitar Pro or free MuseScore. Try song name plus drums plus tab for alternatives. Use Songster for crowd-verified transcriptions. Pro tip: check multiple sources. Compare them. This builds your understanding of what's essential versus interpretive. Step 2. You choose your level of involvement. Here's where you have options. Quick and simple. Export the MIDI and you're done. Want to level up? Take 30 seconds to understand what you're looking at. Drum notation isn't like piano music with a million notes. It's just kick drum on the bottom, snares in the middle, hi-hats on top. And that's 90% of what you need to know. And once you see how it translates to your piano roll, you'll start recognizing patterns instantly. Step 3. Intelligent export and adaptation. Export as MIDI, but don't just drop it blindly. Open it in your piano roll, study the timing, see how human drummers rush and drag naturally. Don't fear to tweak the timing a little bit. Computer perfect isn't musically perfect. Now make it yours. This is the creative part. You're not copying, you're learning a language and then speaking it in your own voice. Change the hi-hat pattern, adjust the kick placement, add your own fills. Same foundation but completely different feel. This is how you develop your own drumming vocabulary. Start building a personal collection organized by feel, genre, and tempo. But more importantly, start understanding why these patterns work. What happens when Guitar Pro files aren't available? For songs you couldn't find GP files, you can almost always find tabs. I also encourage you to use your ear and try to transcribe yourself. And then just copy that manually into your notation software. It really isn't that difficult, you can do it. And this skill, active listening and transcription, over time will make your drums sound better than any sample pack ever could. You are not just getting a drum pattern, you're learning how professional drummers think, how they build grooves, and how they serve songs. Every great drummer who ever inspired you becomes your teacher. You have everything you need to create authentic musical drum tracks. The knowledge is freely available, the tools exist. The only thing standing between you and great drums is the time you invest in learning.